Hey, hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. This is Python series and we are now going to learn about list. In previous video, we have learned about strings, right? Strings are nothing but a collection of characters which includes both integer, decimals, strings and everything. Just a bunch of character which is enclosed inside quotes. The list is nothing but a updated version of string. Yeah, we can
What?
say like that. Cause we have faced some difficulties while doing something with strings like s equal to something. If I just want this something to be same thing, like I just need to replace this o by a, right? So for that I can't able to specify like s of 1 is equal to a, cause if I do that it will show some error like string is immutable and we can't do that. So to get rid of that thing we are going for list. So list equal to something. Actually this is a string, but if I convert this or type as this string into list of something, you can see what we are getting. We are storing each and every character with separate index or separate space. We are allocating some separate memory for each of the things. So I can easily replace this by list of 1 is equal to a. So if I do that, we are getting the same thing, which is nothing but something. We have updated the O with a, right? This is because it's mutable. Each and every memory or each and every index has separate memory allocation. So we can easily just replace everything. And the list is not like array. We can store whatever we want in it. Like list can be something like this a 1.0, and it can be a list itself which contains some random variables like this. See, we are getting it. Like we can store whatever we want inside a list. So what are the operation or what are the additional thing that we are having in list? Like we can get the find the maximum element of a list just by using max keyword, max of, and like a string we just need this representation. Instead of double quotes we just need to put square brackets. This is nothing but a representation of list. So if I specify 1 2 3, we can get the max, which is nothing but 3, and likewise we can get the minimum and total length. We can compare two lists. Print is equal to this, false. Is this equal to that one, false. Is this both things are equal? Obviously it's true. Likewise we can do that comparison in membership operator. Like we can do something like print my character 1 in my list 1 2 3. So it will return false because we are checking a character 1 in a integer list. So if I typecast this one into string, we will get true. This is the specialty of membership operator. And we can go for a iteration for I in a list 1 2 3 print I. So this will do the same thing which we have used to do that in string. The main difference between a string and list is we can have separate memory allocation for each and every character or each and every elements. So the value inside this list is considered as elements. So it has a separate memory. That's the specialty. So we will learn about one more thing, which is nothing but dictionary and sets in upcoming videos, because the list allows duplicate values. Like it won't check for anything. L equal to a empty list. I can add a few more elements like L dot append of 1 and again do the same. And if I just need to extend the list, L dot extend of this extends just need few more elements 2 3 4 print of L. So here we got 1 2 3 4 ones and 2 3 4. The difference between append and extend is it just looking for the elements and it add the elements one by one into the list. Like if I use append instead of extend, we will get what we have specified there. See, we are storing the whole value as list instead of iterating through the values. And I just need to check one more thing. Can I extend have few things like this? No. Extend and append just need one parameter, but the extend will look for the value inside the thing which we have given. Like it will typecast the value as a separate elements and it will store that value one by one. Likewise, instead of using extend, we can do the simple concatenation just by using plus L equal to L plus 234, which will give you the same operation which was done by extend. That's the specialty of concatenation. And we can't able to concat a list with a normal integer or any other data type. We can concat only both list. So that's all about list. And Python has a special operator which you have seen through a lot of memes, which is nothing but short. Shorted of L. This will short the whole list and it will the shorted supports only same data type. So I just need to remove the list. I just need to remove this. So now we have got the shorted array. Since the values are already shorted, we won't found any difference. So that's all about list. We'll see you soon with something else, which is nothing but sets and dictionary and the upcoming videos. See you guys. Bye.